I'm going to show you how to make sales extremely simple in this video, and I'm going to do it in such a way that hopefully you can grasp it and just run with it today. And the reason why I wanted to shoot this video is that I created a post that said that marketers, affiliate marketers, we make things extremely difficult, and we do it in such a magical way. I don't know how we do it, but we do it, right? And we take something that's supposed to be a simple straight line thing, we ball it into a knot, right? And then we eventually work our way out of this knot, and we kind of see things for what it is. And that knot is simply our journey, right? So that knot, we all have this bundled up knot that we are on right now, and that's our journey. But the reality is that you have these different awakening moments when you realize that things are really simple, and you're like, how did I ever get balled up in a knot in the first place, right? But one thing you can do to help keep things simple is start from the very beginning, the very basic stuff, okay? For instance, I didn't get into funnels and automations and things like that till later. I started making sales before that. If you have a product that is worth selling, right, you should have a link to resell your product. That is all you need right now, right? That is all you need. I love building funnels and automation, but just keep things simple for a second. And then if you look at the pool of people we have around us in Facebook, okay, we have a ton of people who are into affiliate marketing, into network marketing, into making money online. And you want to just simply connect with those people. You don't want to sell those people. You want to connect with those people. And if you don't have those people around you, maybe I'm one of 5 people that's on your Facebook right now. You want to start connecting with people. All right. This connection that we have the capability of doing on Facebook is a huge piece of the recipe, because you already have people that are into some of the same stuff that you're into. Point blank, period. So you connect with those people with a genuine heart and be real, be authentic. And ultimately, there will be a few people in your realm, if you continuously connect with people, that's going to want what you have. Now, hopefully I can post this video, because I'm going to bust my 3 minutes that I think I have on Facebook as a reel. But ultimately, you're going to connect with these people, and there's going to be a set amount of people who's going to be attracted to you and attracted to what you have to offer. Now, there's some little things that go into play with this as well that I'm not going to get into in this video. But ultimately, you want to make sure that you're showing up as the person that has a solution for the people that you're connecting with. The people who would be attracted to you, they need to see what you're about. They need to see it in your bio, the foundational things. They need to see it on your page, right? And the one big key I would say that you need to have as well is the belief and the confidence in what you're selling. Because I see a lot of people, I can feel it, right? You can feel when confidence comes across your camera or your screen, and you can feel when it doesn't. And so if you're lacking confidence, all you have to do is believe. Well, first, find a product that you believe in. If you don't believe in it, you probably need to find something else to resell. But if you do believe in it and you like the products, start talking about it more, whether it's somebody in your household or, you open up your camera and you start talking about different things around the product as far as how it has helped you and helped other people. Start talking about it more. Start taking it if you have a product. I see a lot of people in the weight loss industry. You have so many different opportunities to show how your products are improving your life, improving other people's lives. And you probably have way more stories than you need to write a book, right? So start being a part of this product. And when you think about everything I just said, it is no more complicated than starting your journey at a college or starting your journey at a new job, right? You go to your job, people want to know about you, right? So they start asking you questions. You probably start asking them questions, right? Like you genuinely just start asking them questions. And then you get to know each other. And then maybe you both realize you like wine. That's the thing that people like. I just brought that up. You know, like maybe a couple of you like wine. And then you have a ladies' night out every Friday because of this wine. All right. Sales are simple. They're just the same process that I laid out, right? So what I'm saying is just be you, be a real person, be genuine about your products, know them, use them, believe in them, show up in your social media using those products. And then embed yourself into people or in an audience of people that have the same type of interest. Not everyone is going to want to buy your stuff. Not everyone is going to want to work with you, but it's going to be a certain percentage of people that will want to see what you got going on if you're doing this the right way and if you have the right mindset behind it. Anyway, that's my little video. Hopefully I get to post this. If not, it'll be on YouTube. And so if you need more help with your marketing, if you want to get results in your marketing, regardless of what products you're selling, hit me up or go to bossfree25.com. And I will definitely, I'll send you over a training that's going to help you practice kind of this whole process that I talked about and help build your confidence. It's a 3-step formula that I talk about in this training. And it applies to everything, every business. It probably applies to more than just business, right? You can use this formula in your life, period. But definitely go to bossfree25.com and I'll see you on the top. Peace.